Ki Pulit ke distrik Bhoi hakamiat jong ka putrik leber hajar Pulai. Kila kami Ngut ki Briew ke besubajur bagi deki badan keti hakaban Pyniap klub yang weu Nongrep haklenti na kesnong Pahammawlein sya umdap hak distrik Bhoi. Kini ki Ngut ki Briew ki deki belatip kerteng kumu Prince Abraham Selyang lepsan senam kerta na kesnong Pahammawlein Pomer bad usushil korba nyup senam kerta ubadai na kesnong umdam duki. Ki Pulit kila kami ni Briew lo kejing subadon keti ba kila Pyniap yo ba Elias rendong ndrupos nam kerta na kesnong Pahammawlein kabla jaman haka kendai trik leber hajar Pulai kat ba udang yalenti nayeng banlet cakajagarap la ban pengen mawang ni ba uni Nongrep kat ba udang mi na layeng banlet cakajagarap jong ula syak pen mensau nagi benta jong ka klik hadu pun aklat no. Ki Pulit kila register mukadumah halor kena kejing jab kejing tokit ikini ki Ngut ki Briew kadangnya cekmat.
9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Pyniap outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body found at 20th mile Bhoi district. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to the late deceased Elias Rangdong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members, and after that the police team started the investigation process. We also registered FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Elias Rangdong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case. That is the Prince Abraham Selyang of 20th mile Bhoi district, and also Shri Sushil Kurba of Umdap Duki falls under the Bhoi district. That the deceased person had some quarrel due to some personal enmity with the above two accused persons. So, along with the available technical tower dams and tower locations, and also the statements of the witnesses, the Bhoi police yesterday, that is on 22 night around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case, and also the case under Nongrep PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Bhoi that Bhoi police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district.